Hello kids! Today we're learning about something super fun. Adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. They make sentences colorful and exciting. Look at this apple. It's not just an apple, it's a red apple. The word red tells us something about the apple. Its color. That's what adjectives do. They describe things. First, we have opinion adjectives. These tell us what someone thinks or feels about something. For example, this is a cute dog. The word cute shows my opinion about the dog. Next up, size adjectives. These tell us how big or small something is. Look, a small mouse and a big elephant. Then we have color adjectives. These tell us about colors. Here are red, blue, and yellow balloons. Material adjectives tell us what something is made of. This is a wooden chair, and here's a gold ring. Finally, we have purpose adjectives. These tell us what something is used for. For example, a sleeping bag is for sleeping, and running shoes are for running. Let's recap the types of adjectives we learned today. Opinion, cute dog. Size, big elephant. Color, red balloon. Material, wooden chair. Purpose, running shoes. Adjectives are so fun and helpful, right? Great job, kids! You're now adjective expert. Look around you and describe things using adjectives. See you next time. Bye-bye. Please like, subscribe, and share.